Pancakes.
Who doesn't love pancakes? With a batter recipe you can trust, we're going to show you 3 ways to enjoy your pancakes. We're talking bacon and hot honey with a cheese sauce, pretend we're at a crepe stand with a dish inspired by a very popular chocolate bar, and last but not least, a fancy, elegant, hot cherry and pistachio cream stuffed pancake spread. So now to our mix. Got 120 grams of flour, pinch of salt, a little well in the middle, and then an egg. Always crack an egg flat on the side, just gives you that really lovely thumbprint. It goes in, 300 ml of milk. You never want to go full in with all of your liquid because you want to really work it so you can get rid of any lumps. Because you've got that well in the middle, you can just slowly bring in the flour from the edges, minimal effort to maximum reward. You could also eyeball this, it's the thickness of double cream. So now this is nice and smooth, we need to let this rest. The flour needs to absorb the liquid, so 15 minutes at least, ideally 30 minutes to an hour. Pancake cooking. This is all about the right pan, the right heat, and allowing yourself time to mess up the first so you can snack on it. I don't always like the stress of flipping. It's a bit of a show-off move, so you can do this however you like.
Savoury pancakes, I'm doing the savoury moment. So we're going to fry some bacon diner style, so with a weight on top so it's really crispy and delicious. Turn them into like pancake rashers, pour the pancake batter over the actual bacon. Stack them up high with a load of this really, really naughty cheese sauce. Just a splash of milk and some burger cheese, melted together, that cinema nacho style consistency. And then slather the whole lot in this fantastic wildebeest hot honey.
That is so naughty. This is inspired by my childhood trips to the crepe stall. They have a flavour called hazelnut cream crunch. I've tried to replicate and elevate with our #1 hazelnut cream. I've actually eaten quite a lot of this already. And #1 Theatine chocolate. Liquid gold. That is pretty special. Fill this, load it up, finish with ice cream and serve in triangles in a paper plate just like your own crepe stand.
Look at that.
Finally, a platter for the table. This is a little more sophisticated, with the nut of the moment, pistachio. I've used this pistachio spread, lightened with double cream and mascarpone, and served with hot cherry compote all over the top. I like to serve it on a big platter as a dessert for the table, the finale in your pancake musicale.
What a versatile flat cake.